Let me see you go underwater.
Mommy, watch me.
Wow. Let me...
Daddy taught me how to do this.
I didn't show you how to golf. Chip on the wood.
Why don't you hold your nose and let me see how long you can go underwater. You're not even under the water.
Like that,
Wow. Let me see you swim around.
No, on the swim.
You're so silly.